Let me write this question down. Question number 5. If the length of OA is 10 units and the measure of angle AOC is 60 degrees. Find the area of the sector AOC. Right? So let us go back to the figure and see what they have given us. So OA, this is 10 units, and AOC. Now AOC is now 60 degrees. So let me place that 60 degrees there. So from this is the new data, 60 degrees. Now we are asked to find area of the sector AOC. So this region is required. Okay, this entire region sector, this is the sector. Right? So this region is what is asked. Now let me go back and give the sector formula. So area of sector is equal to, theta over 360 multiplied with pi r squared. Now OA is R, right? So OA is R, this is given as 10 units. So the radii is 10 units there. Now theta is 60 degrees. So area is 60 divided by 360 multiplied with pi times r is 10 into 10. So 0, 0 gets cancelled. This divides here 6 times. So you have 10 multiplied with 10 times pi divided by 6. 2 divides here 3 times, 2 divides here 5 times. 5 into 10 is 50. You have a pi there and a 3. Now since we are dealing with area, this is going to be square units. So this is the area of the sector.